People say every dark cloud has a silver line. But so many silver lines on your scalp will not give you a better look. Premature graying. Dealing with premature graying. It's not just about getting older. It's about how it affects your confidence, your vibe, and your look. So stay with me until end of this video. Today I'm going to give you a unique solution to overcome premature graying. So let's start. Let's get real. What's happening is simple. Your body stopped producing the melanin, the thing that gives your hair the natural color. Today our remedy is to make a hair oil using 3 natural ingredients that potentially work premature graying. We take 200 ml of pure coconut oil and we take 15 to 20 pieces of Amla. Amla is a superfood for your hair. It helps to nourish your hair from internally and externally and will help to regenerate the hair follicles. Then we add 5 to 6 small pieces of rosemary leaves. So how rosemary helps preventing premature graying? Let's break it down like this. Your hair cells has a pigment called melanocyte. These are the cells that keep your hair black, brown, or whatever your natural color is. Due to stress or either nutritional deficiencies, and over time, these cells can go slower and may die. New study shows that rosemary has a special ingredient called carnosic acid. This acid helps heal damaged nerves and may even stimulate pigment-producing cells. Plus, when rosemary is mixed with amla and black seed, this combination can help to remove the buildup and help your hair follicles to breathe. Finally, we add 2 tablespoons full of black seed and mix them all and boil the oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Strain it and store it in a glass bottle. Without using any preservatives, you can keep this hair oil for nearly 2 years. How to apply? So, apply this hair oil at least 3 times per week. Do it as gentle massage for nearly 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the oil for another 1 hour, then wash off with a mild shampoo. Finally, let's be realistic. If your hair has gone fully white, this remedy will not give you a magical results within weeks. But if you have just started spotting and you want to prevent it from progressing, yes, this remedy will give you nice results for a certain extent. It's all about consistency, lifestyle, and avoiding chemical overload. Check for your vitamin B12, calcium, iron, and copper levels. Low level of these vitamins and minerals can increase premature graying. Combine our hair oil with a natural hair care routine, so the results will be more significant. So I think this video will definitely help you. Don't miss to put a comment to my comment section and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.